over a year. And it's basically on how to ombre your hair at home. I think typically when girls or like ladies get their hair done at a salon, it takes like 3 to 4 hours and $200 to $300. I want to show you guys how you can do this in under $20 in like an hour at home, and it's very quick and it's a simple technique and it's pretty cheap. So I'm literally traveling right now. I literally postmated the ingredients to get your hair done from a Sally's Beauty Salon in the city. I basically want to show you guys how to kind of replicate this technique as well. Cool, let's get started. Here we have 2 main ingredients. First is the developer. So this is the Salon Care 30 volume. So this is what you're gonna mix with your bleach powder to give that lightening effect. For this, if you go to Sally's Beauty Supply, you'll literally see like volume 20, 30, and 40. For 20, that's for finer hair, and what this developer does is it kind of opens the pores in your hair so that you're able to let the bleach come in and take out color. And 40 is going to be stronger, and that's for like thicker hair. So I have medium hair, so I'm going to use a 30. The second main ingredient is the L'Oreal Quick Blue. So this is basically the bleach that you're going to mix in, and this is what's going to take away color from your hair. A few extra things. Here's a brush called a Tint brush. It's like $1 at Sally's. And then here, it's literally stuff I brought from home and I packed in my suitcase. So here are pieces of aluminum foil, and here are 2 sandwich gloves. Cool. And then the last thing here is a toner. Toner is going to be there to take out the brassiness or the more like orangish yellowish tone in your hair. So I actually like that because I think it looks a little bit more natural, and that's just the way I like to wear my hair. But if you want it to be more ashy, then you can use this toner. After I post these ingredients, it literally costs $16.77 after tax. So that just goes to show how cheap this can actually be. But yeah, let's go and move on to the actual tutorial. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna change my shirt to a workout shirt because that's all I packed. I don't care if that gets kind of dirty. The last thing I need is a mixing bowl, which I will go find somewhere in this room. So yeah, right back. The first thing you want to do is you want to section your hair, and again, I'm traveling, so all I have are 2 hair ties, so we're gonna make this work. I'm gonna look like a pineapple. Cool, we're all friends here. Okay, yeah, that'll work. I'll try to figure out some exact like measurements and put it somewhere on the screen. So, yeah. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna put a little more because it's always safe to have like a little extra than to run out halfway. So, yeah. Okay, the next thing you want to do is add the bleach. So, again, I'm gonna eyeball it. Okay, so I have like 1 tablespoon it looks like in here. I'm gonna add a little more. That's too much. Okay, Jesus. Ooh. One more thing that I want to do is show you guys, like literally prove how quick this can be. So I'm gonna go on Uber Eats and Uber Eats like some food because that usually takes 40 to 50 minutes to get here. So the thought is like by the time the food gets here, I would be done with my hair. McDonald's. It's closed. Okay, Denny's has the right amount of delivery time for me to like do my hair and get it. Okay, my milkshake is on the way. It's gonna be here in like an hour, so we're gonna be done with my hair by then. Cool. Okay, the first thing you want to do is put on your gloves. Stay hydrated. Okay. I don't have much hair, so I'm gonna split this bottom half into 2 sections and then this side into another like 2 sections. So, okay. I'll kind of like talk through the technique while I do it so you guys can see. First, you wanna get the foil. You wanna go ahead and put it underneath. For me, like right now, the lightness is like here. I wanna bring that up maybe like 1 or 2 inches to here, and add that fading effect. So you get a little bit of product, like some product, like you see this side, like it's like a gradient because like the tip doesn't have much. And on this side, there's a little more. So what you want to do is start with the bottom part. You want to like saturate the bottom a little bit. And this is what's going to make the bottom a little lighter. When you start going upwards, you're going to have less product on the brush. So it'll naturally give it that like blending effect. Right, and then you just want to like work your way upwards. to avoid like the entire like section of hair looking colored, you can, after doing the bottom part, you can start doing like streaks. So get, again, like a little bit of product because you want to start off like small. You can always add more later. But as you can see, I'm just like making little streaks in the inner part of the hair. Why not? Have some dimension. Cool. And that's literally it, you guys, for this one section. Fold it over 2 times, so fold it over once, fold it over twice. And then, like, to prevent it from slipping out, fold it like this. Cool, we're good. So just do that for the rest of your hair. I have like 9 more sections to go, so I'm just gonna like speed my way through it. My brush through it and just kind of like, yeah, get it in there. And then this piece that I painted earlier, like I want it a little higher, so then separate the rest of my hair. Like paint, like I can literally just like paint right through it. Here's another trick that I had learned. So let's say you have like a flat section like this. What you can do is like go up like this, go back down, scoop up like another like section of hair, like a little bit out. Okay, so now you see like you have these 2 sections. This actually makes like the process a lot quicker because then you can go ahead and like paint these 2 all in one go. So yeah, same drill, get like bleach, and just like, yeah, go for it. And like, see how I'm going through with my brush? That helps like get like both like the top and the bottom of my hair, like it goes like through my hair. It's not just like slapped on the top. Yeah, and for a little bit of like blending, just like brush a little bit on. And great. Oh, that looks good. So I only have 4 more pieces of foil, so I'll do 2 on 2 on each side. On the top part, there's this one trick that I do to make the ombre look a little bit more subtle or natural. So this is where my normal part is. Instead of putting the dye on like the top layer, I'll take off like 1 centimeter so that it's covering the balayage once I put it on. It'll make more sense like once I do it. So on this like left side of my head, I'm taking off 1 centimeter, putting it like, I don't know, somewhere else. And then I'm gonna do this part. So the idea is that like once you put like this back over on this side, it looks more like hidden, and it's like only when your hair moves can you see like the color come out. So I'm just gonna like get some streaks of hair. So here I have like 3 streaks, kind of, I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, so you can kind of tell, yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like, yeah, paint those. Saturate a little more like the bottom pieces. This is what you want to avoid. This like blip of just straight up dye. So just like, oh, where'd it go? Okay, whatever. Just like, you know, just like blend it in until it looks like a coating and not like a droplet. Okay, a little less of this layer. Cool. I just like, I'll take this like top part, pull it over. Yeah, you can actually see like the streaks from last time, which is really nice. Cool, so I'm just gonna go in with the same thing, just pull out some section. There we go. there's bleach on my face. Okay. Okay. Cool. Now that you look crazy, just play the waiting game. Again, I'm waiting on my, see, we beat like the McFlurry, or no, the milkshake. Yeah, we finished this in 30 minutes, like flat, which is great. Okay, so you want to let this process for like 10 minutes. It's really easy. Just go ahead and like open one of them every 5 to 10 minutes and check and make sure that it's not getting any lighter than you want it to be. But in the case that like you forget and it does, you can always use this toner. After you wash off the dye, you decide like, oh, this is too light or this is too yellow. While your hair is damp, not wet, what you want to do is you want to mix this entire bottle of toner with the exact same amount of the same developer. So it's like 1 part of this, 1 part of this. If you decide your hair is too light or if you decide to tone it. And while your hair is damp, after washing this out, you would just put it on for 10 minutes and you will literally see the color change in your, like before your eyes. And like once it's to your liking, you just wash it out again. Toning shouldn't take more than like 10, 20, 25 minutes, so. Yeah, can I have a strawberry milkshake, please? Okay, that works. This is another trick that you could use. If you decide that your hair is like getting a little bit too light while the top half isn't done processing yet, just like take out the foil so the heat like releases and the hair doesn't like lighten as fast. So this is actually gonna lighten quite slowly after you take out the foils. Another trick is to use a blow dryer. So use it on like a low warm setting and this will like speed up the process, especially because you're in foils. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that now. For the elevator. Hi, sorry. Thank you so much. Alright, so I'm back with my milkshake. It was a journey getting this. I finished my hair before getting this, which is on point. Okay, cool. So this is what it looks like now that it's been like what? How long has it been? It's actually been a little over an hour because after dyeing it, I just like left it in. Just to let it process, but yeah, this is how it's looking. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this out and show you guys what the final product looks like. Okay. I just hopped out of the shower and I'm starting to blow dry my hair. I'm really happy with it. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep blow drying it and that way I'll be able to show you guys like how it looks after the entire process. So this is how my hair kind of like turned out. So as you can see, it's a lot lighter. And like you can see like some of the techniques that I was trying to teach in this video, like the bottom half. And then for the top, there's like a little bit more streaks. So there's like more dimension. Yeah, this was totally worth losing 2 like index fingernails for. So. Okay, so I also want to show what the back looks like. Yeah, so. Okay. Alright, hey guys, I'm back in San Francisco and I want to show you what this hair looks like in natural lighting. So as you can see, it's a lot darker and more like, darker on the top and a lot more light and caramelly at the bottom. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something and learned that it's actually pretty quick, cheap, and simple to do this. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great July 4th.